Mama wants to take a picture.
Oh, no, I'm doing video of him growling with you.
We want some fake coughs? Wait. Here.
This fake cough is so bad. Hey, baby. He's too distracted by this. Oh, that was good.
That's getting better. Yay! He's a little sad that things we're encouraging him to do.
Yeah.
Just saying.